job. Let's make it short. Beehive.
Beehive.
Good going. Just like that. 2 more.
Beehive. Beehive.
Good job.
Oh, and you even threw in an extra. All right, let's see.
Work.
What did I get? 2 yellow. 1, 2. Who's winning, Julian?
Me.
And then who?
Me.
And then who comes after you?
Miss Julian.
Miss Jillian. And then me. Here's your next word.
5. 5.
You're gonna make it short at the end. 5.
5.
Good going. This time let's say number 5.
Number 5.
Oh, we gotta remember.
Number
5.
5.
Good going.
Number